जी।
नमस्कार नमस्कार। Now, yes, हम
के रूप में जो लाया जा रहा है, आर्टिकल 109 के तहत संविधान के अनुच्छेद 109 में स्पीकर साहब को पावर दी गई है कि वो किसी बिल को मनी बिल डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं, और ये शायद ये समझ के दी गई होगी कि जो मनी बिल वाकई में वो मनी बिल रहेंगे, क्योंकि उसके बाद स्थिति होती है अगर स्पीकर किसी बिल को मनी बिल कर दें तो फिर इस हाउस की कोई पावर ही नहीं रह जाती। अगर हम उस बिल को ना माने, उस बिल के विरोध में करें, अगर उसको हम यहाँ न पास होने दें तो भी 14 दिन में एक्ट तो अपने आप लागू हो जाएगा। दोनों सदन अलग अलग सर्वोच्च हैं, हम नहीं चाहते दोनों सदन में कहीं टकराव हो। मैं नहीं जानता, मैं ये नहीं मानता कि स्पीकर साहब की मंशा ये रही होगी कि हम इस सदन के जो उच्च सदन है इसके अधिकारों में कहीं कटौती करें। लेकिन श्रीमान, आप संविधान में आगे भी देख लीजिए, कौन कौन वित्त बिल होंगे उसको भी कहीं ना कहीं कैटेगराइज किया गया है, उसमें दिया हुआ है। तो हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि क्या 109 अनुच्छेद के अंतर्गत जो भी बिल फाइनेंस बिल डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा, क्या उस बिलों को राज्यसभा में कोई अधिकार होगा कि नहीं? और क्या संविधान ने जो राज्यसभा और लोकसभा का गठन किया था, श्रीमान देख लें, पहले राज्यसभा का गठन हुआ है, फिर लोकसभा का हुआ है। राज्यसभा कभी भंग नहीं होगी, लोकसभा भंग होगी, और इसी मारे उन्होंने सर्वोच्च सदन राज्यसभा को माना। तो ये एक ऐसा प्रश्न है जिस प्रश्न पे जरूर डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे तो सारे बिल में फाइनेंस इन्वॉल्व है। अगर सारे बिल को लोकसभा से फाइनेंस बिल बना दिया गया तो हम राज्यसभा में क्यों बैठे हैं? राज्यसभा को क्या अधिकार है और राज्यसभा के अधिकार किस सीमा तक रहेंगे? हम इस पे आपकी रूलिंग चाहिए।
no, I will allow you. 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 The point is, see, before discussing further, I want to make one point clear that the Constitution does not provide this House or me, the chair, to sit on judgment as to whether a bill is a finance bill, a money bill or not. It is money bill or it is entirely for the Speaker to certify, Honorable Speaker or the Lok Sabha to certify that whether a bill is a money bill or not. And in this case, in any bill, that is a portion. So if the Honorable Speaker has certified it to be a money bill, I have to take it like that only. That's all. Okay, all right.
I just want to make it, we fully understand your position. We fully also understand
Helpless.
what...
I'm sorry.
Correct.
I expense.
No.
That word is expense.
No, it's not expense, sir. It should be there. Otherwise, if you don't say it, I'll say it. You are helpless. In this situation, the Constitution prescribes a certain procedure, and that is sacrosanct till we change the Constitution. There's no doubt. But, sir, can we not from the Rajya Sabha suggest to the Honorable Speaker that there should be some criteria for the decision of whether it's a money bill or not?
No.
No, I'm making a submission. Please consider. So far, the general common sense and the general understanding has been a money bill is something that withdraws amounts from the Consolidated Fund of India or that leads to the accrual of some amounts to the Consolidated Fund of India. Now, if this criteria is not met, can there not be a some degree, unless we take up the other course of challenging that constitutional provision? That's a separate matter. But from this House, can there not be a set of rules framed for that? We frame rules for everything.
It is not binding on the Honorable Speaker, even
Sir,
if you frame a rule.
Sir, a suggestion from our House, it is ultimately left to the Honorable Speaker, I agree. But a suggestion from this House that there has to be a set of rules. You have rules for everything. Why can't you have rules which will suggest that which should be considered a money bill or not? At least this appeal from this House must go. No, irrespective of anything that the Honorable Speaker may decide, which the Constitution provides, we agree. That is the right of the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha, that will remain. As long as the Constitution remains. But from here an opinion can go. And that is what we are asking you. You send an opinion from this House that there should be a set of rules that will define the criteria for any bill that will fall under the purview of being considered a money bill. It cannot be an indiscriminate right.
Money bill is defined in Article 110 of the Constitution, that also.
I'm sorry, sir?
110, Article 110 of the Constitution defines money bill.
I agree, but go by that definition, then why this clause again in the Constitution? As I told you, that's a separate matter. We'll have to take it up separately. But can we not, on the basis of the definition under 110, suggest to the Honorable Speaker that there should be a set of rules defining this?
Okay, let me,
Sir, to additionally add one point to what my colleagues have said before this issue of liberal interpretation of a money bill. Sir, my suggestion is, through you, sir, to the chairman, that this, without questioning the ruling of the Speaker and the powers of the Lok Sabha Speaker, this House itself sets up a committee which will examine the liberal interpretation of money bills by members of the Rajya Sabha, through you, sir, to suggest to the chairman that such a committee is constituted in this House at the earliest.
Sir, under
after disposing of this. No, after disposing of this, I will allow you. Not on this. No, HOD, not on this.
sir,
No,
just give.
No, I call the minister. No.
Sir, without disputing,
No.
sir, without disputing the larger sentiment of the senior colleagues, as a member of this House, I have to state one thing. The Constitution, Article 1010, subclause 3.
110,
Yeah. Let me
110.
Clause 3, 110, subclause 3. If any question arises,
We all know that, sir.
please just give me 2 minutes time. Whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the House of the people shall be final.
Beyond that, Mr.
This is the, just a minute, this is a constitutional provision.
We know that.
Oh, please, just a minute.
Let him say. Let him say. HOD, let him
You are
say.
a very senior member, Mr.
Let him
Chudi.
say.
I am speaking
Let
as a
him
member of this
say.
House.
Let him say.
Deputy Chairman, sir, my limited submission is, if we want to change this provision, there is a provision in the Constitution how to change it.
Should be constitutional amendment.
But a Speaker there and the Chairman here are completely sovereign in their respective field. And the larger question I would like to raise it, can we in this House ask this House to prepare a guideline as to how the Speaker of the House should conduct?
I think no.
That's the larger issue.
cannot.
We'll have to have self-restraint.
Interpretation. All of us are aware of the constitutional provision. We are only saying we want the Honorable Speaker there to decide what are the set of rules on basis of which he or she may decide that this is a money bill. We are not giving any sermons or anything to anybody else.
HOD,
And we all understand the Constitution. Hopefully we are all literate,
HOD.
even to understand the implications of it. We
HOD.
don't require learned counsels to explain it to us. All that I am saying is, we know the Constitution. Unless there is a constitutional amendment, we know you cannot say anything or do anything. We know that. All that we are suggesting from here is that the Honorable Speaker of the Lok Sabha define for themselves, let that other house define what will be the set of rules to declare any legislation to be in the category of a money bill. Let them do it. We are not giving them any directions or any sermons.
But if no direction, can we even give a suggestion as the House? Can this
Why-
House give a suggestion
Why
to
can't
Lok
this
Sabha
house give a
Speaker?
suggestion? Why can't this house give a suggestion? Sir, my right as a member of the Rajya Sabha is being curtailed. I feel.
Sir, what?
No, therefore, I think we can give our opinion. Nobody can stop us from giving our opinions.
Chairman, sir.
Okay, I will have
Sir,
to,
sir, before you give some ruling, I understand your position and don't give ruling at this point of time. Reserve your ruling. As
I think that is the point.
suggested by Derek, the chairman can be told or the house can suggest to the chairman to set up a committee so that that committee can go into the issue and redefine the powers of Rajya Sabha so that there is no clash between two houses.
in any,
उपसभापति आज जो ब्लैक मनी का बिल आ रहा है, इसको फाइनेंस हमारे माना गया बिल कि इसमें फाइनेंस इन्वॉल्व है, लेकिन इन्वॉल्व फाइनेंशियल पेनाल्टी है। आपने कहा कि अगर कोई फॉरेन में अगर किसी के पास मनी है अनडिस्क्लोज, वो मनी अगर वो डिस्क्लोज करेगा विद इन 60 डेज तो 30% टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, 30% पेनाल्टी देना पड़ेगा। और अगर 6 महीने के अंदर नहीं करे तो 100% पेनाल्टी आएगा। श्रीमान 110 का पार्ट 2 देख ले, 110 का पार्ट 2। A bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties. अब फाइन के आधार पर इसको अगर मनी बिल मांग रहे हैं कि इसमें पैसा इन्वॉल्व हो गया,
लेकिन वो ठीक है, लेकिन
आगे टैक्सेस है, आगे टैक्सेस
तीन सब क्लॉज 3 देखिए, उसके बाद सब क्लॉज 3 में बताया गया, if any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the speaker shall be final.
नहीं, वो तो है, लेकिन हमारा प्रश्न ये है, क्या ये हाउस,
I understood.
क्या ये हाउस प्रस्ताव नहीं कर सकता है?
I will
क्या
do
ये
one
हाउस
thing.
प्रस्ताव नहीं कर
Okay,
सकता?
now I will do
हम
one thing.
असहाय नहीं होना
I
चाहिए।
got your point. I will do one thing. See, I am not giving a. I will have come to that. Not on this. I am not giving a. See, let me finish this. I am not giving a ruling on this now. See, no, sit down. I will call you. I will call. Let me finish this. I will call you. Sit down. No. On this subject, your leader has spoken. Now you sit down. On this subject, your leader has spoken. That's enough. No. Anything new? You see, Ragesh. No. You no. Don't on money bill. Your leader has spoken. There are certain. No. I am not allowing you. Ragesh, understand. Ragesh. No.
Point. Constitutional provisions are there and we respect the constitutional provisions. The role of the speaker is there, we respect the role of the speaker. However, sir, the broader point is the following, that in the last finance bill that we just discussed, considered and passed, 5 very important pieces of legislation, amendments were made and they were part of the finance bill.
No, that is over now.
Once
You talk
again,
about this.
So I'm making the point. Please listen.
about this.
Allow me to finish. Depriving members of a valuable right to scrutinize the legislation, to understand its implications in its totality, and come back better informed and in a better position to debate, discuss, and pass the legislation. The broader point I want to make is that getting into these technicalities of what is a money bill and what is not a money bill, there is a larger political point that I am driving at. That in its wisdom, I request the Honorable Leader of the House to please do not deprive other members of this House the opportunity for looking at these amendments. Ultimately, we will support the position. I have no doubt in my mind that the 5 bills that he made part of the finance bill and which we agreed to would have perhaps passed in the monsoon
No, okay,
session.
sir.
So, therefore,
That's already passed here.
No,
You talk about
the same principle applies to the black money
Yeah,
legislation. The same principle applies to the black money legislation. There has been no opportunity to study the full implications of this legislation, even though all of us are united in fighting the menace of black money. Now, sir, if we raise this question, we will be said to
No,
be
that's
against.
okay.
So
That's all. I have to take the
Sir, I
other bill.
rarely speak, sir. I rarely speak. Please give me an opportunity.
But
Those who
you
raise
made your
questions
point.
on
That's
this
enough.
legislation, their bona fides will be questioned, saying that we are against bringing black money back. This is a very important issue. And the legislation has major
Okay, sir,
implications.
that's okay.
This is not the first time
Alright.
such a
हाँ, बोलिए,
legislation
बोलिए.
has been
Sir जी,
introduced.
बोलिए.
Sir, you are determined not to allow me to speak.
Yeah, I allowed you enough. Sharad ji.
No, this is very unfair.
Sharad
sir.
ji.
श्रीमान, मेरा इसमें निवेदन ये है कि एक दिन की बात नहीं, स्पीकर का मामला एक दिन का नहीं है, ये उनका अधिकार है। किसी बिल को उन्होंने मनी बिल कहा है और इस पे 68 बरस बाद हम बहस कर रहे हैं। यानी हम ठीक बात पे आने की जगह, ये तो उनका प्रेरोगेटिव है, उस प्रेरोगेटिव पे 20 तरह की बहस करना, 20 तरह का चीज़ों को निकालना, ये वाजिब ठीक नहीं है और नए सदन को कोई सुझाव देना चाहिए।
That is the point.
इसलिए मेरा आपसे कहना है कि इस पे जो बहस चल रही है वो निरर्थक है, उसमें कोई मतलब नहीं। कोई 68 बरस से चल रहा है ये काम, कोई आज से है क्या?
नहीं, हम सुझाव तो भेज सके।
सुझाव किस बात का भेजेगा?
सर, मैं सदन के माननीय सभी सदस्यों को आपके माध्यम से ये बताना चाहूँगा कि ये जो अधिकार है, हमारी जो व्यवस्था है पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम, तो ब्रिटिश मॉडल पर आधारित है और पॉलिटिकल साइंस के और हिस्ट्री के सारे स्टूडेंट्स जानते हैं कि हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स को शुरू में ही सारे ये अधिकार प्राप्त थे। स्वयं उसने अपनी इंडिफरेंस की वजह से, उदासीनता की वजह से, अपनी अटेंडेंस ना आने की वजह से ये हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स के हाथ में एक तरीके से अधिकार दे दिए। तो अगर हम इंडिफरेंट बने रहेंगे, अपनी बात कहेंगे भी नहीं, तो जिस तरह से हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स सेकंड चैम्बर की बजाय सेकेंडरी चैम्बर बन गया और ये हाउस भी सेकंड चैम्बर की बजाय सेकेंडरी चैम्बर बन जाएगा। इसलिए कह तो सकते ही अपनी बात और अपने बात को वहां तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, क्योंकि हिस्ट्री इस बात को बताती है कि किस तरह ये चीजें बदली जाती हैं। संविधान में
बदल करो,
बड़े बड़े संशोधन हुए,
संविधान बदल करो।
बदलने की बात नहीं कह रहा हूँ,
I have no problem.
मैं बदलने की बात नहीं कह रहा हूं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि ये इतिहास इस बात का गवाह है कि अधिकार हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स के जो सब शक्तिशाली सदस्य था ब्रिटेन में, उसके अधिकार इसलिए चले गए क्योंकि उसने अपने अधिकारों को धीरे धीरे छोड़ती गई, जो एक शब्द ऐतराज के रूप में नहीं कहा कभी, इसलिए हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स के हाथ में चले गए, क्योंकि ये वित्तीय शक्तियां उसके पास में थी। फिर हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स के हाथ में चली गई। तो हम मान लीजिए, अभी कोई कुछ नहीं कह रहा, हम नहीं कह रहे हैं कि ये गलत है क्या है, लेकिन इतना तो हो कि हर बिल को और आए दिन किसी बिल को जिसको नहीं भी होना चाहिए मनी बिल, उसको वहां से मनी बिल सर्टिफाई करके इसलिए न भेजा जाए कि ये हाउस उसमें कोई इधर उधर की बात नहीं कर सके।
Now, honorable members, see, no, please, not on this. No discussion on this. Nothing on this. Nothing on this. On this, I am not allowing you. I am not allowing you. See, your leader, I cannot allow. On this, I am not allowing you. I am not. Nothing will go on record. Not on this. Your leader has spoken. What more you want? No, I am not allowing you. No. Or not on this. Sit down. Not on this. No. This cannot be a discussion like that. No, please. This cannot. Sit down. You need not. I am not allowing you on this subject. Sit down. This is a point. No, I am not allowing to go. I am not allowing. Sit down. No, please sit down. I am not allowing you. What are you doing? If everybody wants to speak, how I will take up the bill? No, on what notice? I don't get a notice on this. What? No, listen. You sit down, please take your seat. This is a point, no listen. This is a point of order raised by Sri Naresh Gujral. Naresh Agrawal. Yes, Naresh Agrawal. Now, on this point of order, no, let's sit down. I am on my sit down. On this point of order, I have no notice. Not only that, there is no rule to give a notice on a point of order. Now, I heard, but I even should not have allowed. But I heard, because honorable members wanted to raise this issue, I allowed. But I am telling you, the constitution is very clear. Speaker is the final arbiter and authority to decide. It is money bill. However, I cannot give a ruling on this. I will convey your feelings to the honorable chairman.
Particular issue. If you want to convey his feelings, you will not hear him.
I will
That
hear
is what I am asking for. That is what I am asking for. That is what Balagopal wanted to place before you.
But there is a rule for this. Now, Balgopal, not on this subject. If you have anything else, you can speak. Not on this subject.
Sir, I am not going into the debate.
Because
I gave a notice earlier, so I am not continuing. I am supporting. I am already leaders are said here, so I am supporting the point. But what he said, 5 including FEMA, and when the FEMA is coming, today black money is coming, there is a provision in the FEMA Act itself. It is allowed to help the black money go to other countries. That is there, sir. So I am saying this because this letter, I gave a detailed letter to the chairman saying that I don't object. I am not
he will
continuing.
decide.
I gave a detailed letter.
No, you don't say about letter to chairman here.
No, letter means notice. Notice, but I am not continuing because chair is not allowing. I am not continuing.
Yes.
I gave a notice. Yesterday I raised this issue. A detailed note and letter is there with the chairman. It is with the chairman.
The chairman will
Notice.
consider it.
Notice, sir. So,
Okay.
sir, I am
If-
raising
if
another
any-
issue. Another issue.
What is another issue?
Sir,
Okay.
in the morning, the honorable chairman, while he was on the chair, he said that the lunch break will be 1 to 1:30.
Okay.
1 to 1:30.
that you
And
raised,
we all expecting that lunch break will be there 1 to 1:30. We went to notice of his giving amendments and all. And while coming back, immediately we got an information that the bill discussion is going on. It is announced here 1 to 1:30. And while coming here, there was a select committee proposal by the minister. So naturally, when the bill, one company bill discussion was going on, in between such a resolution the motion should not be there. In between a motion came, and unfortunately I have to say that there is no representation of left in the committee, select committee of land bill. Sir, it is, see, it is against the procedure, it was not informed, and against the announcement that no representation from the left, and actually yesterday the names were collected from us also, and it is not included, sir. That these two aspects, sir. One is lunch break is changed, and another is the procedure. In between a bill discussion, there should not be a motion for selecting people, sir. And left.
Yeah.
गवर्नमेंट मैं आपके माध्यम से सर बात बोलिए सर मेरा निवेदन है कि ये गंभीर और देश के संपूर्ण देश का मामला है लेफ्ट के लोगों को जॉइंट कमेटी में छोड़ना बहुत गलत बात है उनको जरूर इनको इंक्लूड करना चाहिए मैं सरकार से कहूंगा कि ये जब आम सहमति से हम बनाना चाहते हैं तो रास्ता इसमें निकालना चाहिए
अरे नाम भी लिए
शरद जी मैं एक
लोकसभा में इंक्लूड है
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ शरद जी
Minister,
जो सभी सर मैं हम बता
No,
जितनी
Mr.
भी-
Minister, जो मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं,
सर जितनी भी
एचआरडी जी मिनिस्टर,
जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं
हाँ, मिनिस्टर प्लीज,
उनके ज्वाइंट सेलेक्ट कमेटी है 20 मेंबर्स लोकसभा से हैं 10 मेंबर्स राज्यसभा से हैं उसमें कम्युनिस्ट लेफ्ट पार्टी से सलीम साहब लोकसभा से उसमें सदस्य हैं एआईडीएमके से भी लोकसभा से जो उनके मेंबर हैं वो सदस्य हैं इसीलिए सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को इंक्लूड किया गया है क्योंकि ज्वाइंट सेलेक्ट कमेटी है अगर इस हाउस की सेलेक्ट कमेटी इससे पहले जब भी बनी है तो सभी पार्टियों को रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिला है कभी भी कोई भेदभाव नहीं हुआ है इसलिए जब ज्वाइंट सेलेक्ट कमेटी होती है तो दोनों हाउसेस के सदस्यों को उसमें रखा जाता है
The question of what is said is that number one, does this government and you also as the chair recognize Rajya Sabha is Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha is Lok Sabha?
yes,
Do you recognize?
I agree.
You recognize?
I agree.
So do not give us logic here saying that because it's a joint thing, we have no business here to raise that issue. That is wrong. You agree? Huh? Who's shouting that?
No, you proceed.
Huh?
You proceed. You continue.
Now, the second point. If that is the case, you please think over it before you give any suggestion ruling. Second point. The chair announced lunch break from 1 to 1:30. You have informed the members that that is the period they can go and have their lunch and come back. And at that time, the lunch break is not there. You continue the house.
No, there was no such announcement.
I was there. I was there.
No such announcement.
Sir, I'm sorry. There was an announcement. Check your records. Check your records.
Yes.
There was an announcement. Mr. O'Brien, if you are
No,
not
no,
paying
it's-
attention, I don't know. There was an announcement.
I will.
Huh?
Yes.
And now,
Yes. You are correct.
the chair also agrees, if you don't
I will
mind.
come back. I will come.
If you don't mind, the chair
I'll-
also
I'll-
agrees
I'll-
to that. Now the point is, sir, why do you violate such things? It gives a wrong impression for the government also, that you are manipulating, you are maneuvering. You have a discussion on the company's bill, you stop that halfway through and get this joint committee proposal made here. Is it ever done? When you are having a discussion on one bill, one legislative matter, do you stop that discussion and bring in a proposal to get a joint committee elected and then dispose of that matter and continue with that discussion?
Okay, now I'll-
Have you ever done it as a
Okay,
chairman?
now.
Now, I'm
You
saying
made your
all
point.
these things backs
You
of
made
a
your point.
certain maneuvering that you're doing. And that is the
You-
point that I want to mention here.
Okay, you made your point.
No, I want answers to it, sir.
No, yeah, I
it's
myself
not
will
only-
answer.
this
One
is-
question I will answer.
No,
The other-
you will answer, but let the honorable ruling benches understand what is the question so that they may answer after you answer. The
Sitaram
point
ji,
is, why are you doing such maneuvering?
no, not maneuvering.
And such manipulation that
Let me clarify.
doesn't speak well for the credentials of the government.
सीताराम जी, जो सप्लीमेंट्री लिस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस है, ये जो है वो सदन में बांट दिया गया था, जिसमें कि सेलेक्ट कमेटी के जो प्रपोज मेंबर्स होने वाले हैं राज्यसभा के, उनके नाम थे। और ये जो है, जो सप्लीमेंट्री लिस्ट है, बिजनेस है, ये जो है सुबह 11:30 बजे, 11:30 के और 12 के बीच में सभी सदस्यों के हाथ में आ गया था। तो इसमें कहाँ पर ये सब पूरे की पूरी तरह से ये जो हाँ ठीक है, पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस। और ऑनरेबल ये तय हुआ था कि 1 बजे सेलेक्ट कमेटी का अनाउंसमेंट ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर करेंगे, और वो उस समय थे, उन्होंने उसको अनाउंस किया और सारे मेंबर्स थे उसमें अवेलेबल। तो इसमें कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है।
किया, आपने सर्कुलेट किया, मानता हूं, वो लिस्ट सर्कुलेट करने के बाद बातचीत हुई मिनिस्टर से, मिनिस्टर महोदय से, वो बात आप भी जानते हैं। और यहाँ आप कहिए कि ये है फॉर्मेलिटी, ये लिस्ट सर्कुलेट हो गया, जो भी कहना है सदन में कहेंगे, फिर छोड़िए बातचीत, हमसे सरकार
Okay,
ना
now-
करे, हम जो भी रेज करना चाहते हैं यहीं पर करेंगे।
Now, Yechuri ji, let me react.
There's a certain degree of practicality, practical issues that are involved. And secondly,
I am not
sir,
disagreeing
sir,
with you, I'll come
sir,
back.
My members tell me they were asked to give a name, they gave a name, and why was that not included then? Why did you ask for a name to be given then? If this was the understanding.
Okay, now let me, you made your point. See, first thing is about 2 points have been, I will give a ruling, my view on this, and then we will go back to the bill, because bill has to be taken up. Now, Yechuri ji has raised 2 points. Yechuri ji and also Mr. Bal Gopal raised 2 points. The first one relates to the chair also. So I will react on the first one. That is the supplementary. No, they said their view. They already said what they have to say, I believe. Not only that, I have to proceed with the business also. So somewhere I have to. Now the supplementary business, yes, what you said is correct. It could have been taken up after the bill was disposed of. That was the better procedure. That was more correct procedure. That I admit. But however, the minister informed the chair through the minister that there is some urgency, and can it be taken up now? Because he had some urgency perhaps to go to, So I was asked to consider it. Then I did not take upon myself. I asked the house. I said, can I take it up? If the house agree, I will take it up. I asked this question, and at that time, nobody objected. If anyone had objected, I would not have taken up. But I understand the difficulty, the other difficulty. That is, at that time, your members were not there. That is their personal, that is the problem. I understand. Yeah. No, but anyhow, when I asked, can I take it up now, whether the house agree, at that time, if I heard a no voice, I would not have taken up. Now, let me say, I was putting a question, let me complete. I was putting a question whether house agree to take it up. Then house, anybody can say no. That did not happen, therefore it was taken up. But I concede your point, it would have been better if it was taken up after disposing of the bill. That I concede. Second point regarding the Rajya Sabha membership. I am not going to the I know the political compulsion of the ruling party and other parties, political compulsion. But the chair has no political compulsion. For the chair, Rajya Sabha is as important as the Lok Sabha, and for all of us. In the constitution, if I am correct, the Council of States is mentioned first, if I am correct. Therefore, simply because there is a member of a member of the other house in the committee, that cannot be a reason to deny a member of this house. That is my view. With that, it is closed. Now, we will take up the black money, undisclosed foreign income and assets, and I gave a ruling. I gave a ruling.
Sir, you did. I'm not disputing that. I'm only saying if you announce a certain break at the time when you say that you'll have a lunch break, then you cannot expect members to be here who will say no.
I agree. That's why I said
so
it was.
that is the point. That also you add.
That is why I said.
also you add.
That is why I said it could have been better. It would have been better if it was taken up after this. That's why I said that. I consider, not that I rejected your point. I considered your point. When I considered most of your points, you should be happy. Yes, you should be happy. Now, the black money, undisclosed foreign income and assets, and imposition of tax bill 2015, Sri Arun Jaitley to move.
My party is strongly supporting this black money bill, but just I would like to flag one.
No, after he moves, you can speak. Let him move.
We are not going to oppose in that sense. I'm just wanting to tell you
Okay.
that it's being generally felt that this bill has been made a money bill just to undermine the position of the Rajya Sabha. Not many provisions of the other bills have been incorporated in, otherwise this could have not been a money bill. So since this has been brought, we are not going to oppose it. I would just, with a caution to Honorable Finance Minister, that this should not be